Alright, quick update on SLP. So if you watched yesterday's video, you know that I entered a trade yesterday on this breakout. Now, we've had a pretty good run up since the breakout. So just a quick breakdown of basically what I was looking at for the past month or so since we topped out at the 4 cent region. So we had this massive run up for SLP, we hit 4 cents, and basically since then I've been saying I'm sitting on the sidelines and I'm waiting for a back test of either the 618 and the 786 and then a strong impulse up. You can see we fell through the 618, back tested the 786, at which point I highlighted, we're in a bull flag right now. I'd be looking to buy a breakout of the bull flag, especially if we break above the 216, 217, which is both this previous all-time high and 618 Fibonacci. Since then, we obviously broke out. I told you yesterday, I've entered a trade, and since the breakout, we came up as high as 40%, which is pretty crazy. We're only up about 24% right now, and obviously only up 24%. That's pretty great. I didn't catch the exact breakout of this. Nonetheless, it has been a very, very nice ride up since I have entered this trade. So what's going on right now? Where do I think we're heading? Well, my price target is still all the way up here. This is where I plan on taking some small profits, or potentially I plan on taking profits on the whole SLP trade, because I'm not personally in SLP for the long term. This is really a short-term trade for me, but I will be happy to see what goes on. I believe Origins is coming out on either the 6th or the 7th. Not 100% sure on that. You might want to confirm that yourself. Nonetheless, maybe in the next video, we will try and confirm that for sure. So leave a comment below if you actually know the exact date of Origins, or if you have anywhere that that data was confirmed. Nonetheless, looking at the technical analysis, the analysis speaks for itself. We're pumping above the 618. We've pumped above the 0.5 today. We're looking very bullish right now. We're looking very healthy. If we look at the volume on the daily, you can see we've got insane volume coming in right now. So this is definitely supporting the uptrend. I do think that we are going to continue to make it all the way up to this 4 cent region that we've been targeting. Now, this was a 90% trade. It is now only 56, 57% away until we do reach our target. So we have come up a ways today. We are looking pretty good. Looking on the lower time frames, you can see we've taken a little bit of a break in the past 4 to 8 hours. A little bit of red volume coming in. Nothing I'd be worrying about at all. From what I can see, since we broke out of the bull flag, we've just been stair-stepping to the upside. So very healthy. We're building support as we go. We're taking our time, even though we are moving up very, very fast. Bear in mind, SLP has a pretty cheap market cap. So all in all, I think this looks good. You can see we're putting in like mini bull flag, and it looks like we're breaking up. So the volume is great, especially on the daily. Lots of volume to come in to confirm this breakout. I am still sitting in my trade. Like I said, I plan on taking profits around the 4 cent. You can see this is a very, very big area of resistance, because this is the previous local top at the 4 cent, and we have the 200-day moving average kind of converging into this. So I think 4 cent, at least for me, is a good area to take profit. This is a 90% trade. Like I said, I unfortunately didn't catch the exact breakout. I think we got in somewhere around about here. So we've been up, or this is about an 80% trade for me. Nonetheless, I told you guys I'd be buying a breakout, and that's exactly what we've done. I'm currently up about 15%. I wish I saw this breaking out on the 2nd, but I was not, looking at my charts at the time, which is completely fine. Obviously, we are heading up today. This has been a good trade. If you've entered it with me, if you're already in SLP, obviously congratulations to you. This is looking pretty good to me. Like I said, we've got the volume to support it. If we come over to the higher time frames, we're getting good volume accumulating on the weekly. Now, it's only Monday today, and you can see this volume that we've got coming in is really, really nice. Like I said, this is Monday, and we've already got half of the volume that we had last week when we had this big impulse up. So I think this is looking really good. If we look on the weekly Heikanashis, you can see the uptrend is really starting to gear up. You can basically see we were in this huge downtrend, and now the Heikanashis are turning green on the weekly. We're getting good volume to come in to confirm it. And also similarly, if we switch back over to the Japanese candlesticks, if it wants to switch over, come on, why is it taking so long? I don't know why it's taking so long to switch over. Here we go. Sorry about that, but yeah, if we look at the weekly, I mean, the RSI is so beat down. The RSI is at 36, the money flow indicator is at 65, and this is a good signal. In my opinion, this means we could be getting in at the start of a massive reversal. I mean, not only is the RSI so low right now, meaning, you know, the RSI can do an absolute face tear and just continue to accumulate to the upside. I mean, look at how much we've gone up in the past 3-4 weeks. We've gone up approximately 66% currently, and the RSI has only gone from 30 to 36. So in my opinion, there is so much more growth to the upside on this. I think if Origins comes out on the 6th or the 7th, I'll try to confirm it for you in the next video. Nonetheless, like I said, my channel is mainly about technical analysis. The news will be reflected in the charts, which is what I think we're seeing anyway. So once Origin comes out, I will give you an update. If any of you want to leave me like a confirmed link, maybe their Twitter confirmed it. I'm not in the SLP space per se, but obviously I do like to chart this because I think this has got a really nice risk to reward ratio. I think we are coming up to the 4 cent, and that's basically all I see. So broken out the bull flag, broken above the 618, broken above the 0.5, heading up to the 4 cent region. Amazing volume coming in on the lower time frames. On the weekly time frames, amazing volume coming in, and the RSI is very cheap. So I think we've got a lot of growth to the upside to come. I don't necessarily think 4 cents is going to be the top, but for me, I would be very happy to take profits there. And obviously, not financial advice, it's my own trading plan, how I plan on navigating the markets, and yeah, that's all I see. So not financial advice. Cowboy out. Peace.